What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited about this video because I want to unbox this with you. I got this when I was in California a couple of days ago. If you want to see me unwrap this, then keep on watching. Okay, I'm so excited. Let's see. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm not sure if this has a name. Let me see if I can find it. But yeah, this is what it looks like close up. Okay, so I got this purse when I was in California last week. And my husband bought it for me. It's basically a birthday / Mother's Day Christmas gift all in one. I don't spend that much money all on myself like that, but my husband, you know, he's been wanting to get me this purse for a very long time. He likes St. Laurent handbags, but he doesn't really like Chanel handbags. I love Chanel. Chanel is very classic, but he thinks, I don't know, he just doesn't really like it. But he likes this bag. This is what it looks like. I love the details, the black and the silver. My husband likes silver too. He doesn't like the gold logo. So that's it up close. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. And the back, it has a pocket for like the phone, or I'm not sure if it's good to put a phone there. I mean, maybe you can, it feels so tight. Okay, so let's open it. It has a flap right here. Sorry, that's my phone. And then inside, it has a big, okay, I guess you can fit a lot of stuff. Not like a lot, but I don't know if you can tell. There's only one pocket on one side. Usually, usually purses like these that I have, they have like the insert for the credit cards and whatnot, but this doesn't have it. I guess you have to buy a wallet to go with it, and you know, that's expensive too as well. So I'm probably not gonna have like a wallet from St. Laurent for a very long time. But yeah, I don't know if you can tell the inside. It has room for like a wallet, a phone, and car keys, and my husband car keys too, since if we're together, he likes to put it in my purse. So for the strap, here's the strap. You can wear it. Oops, I should fix that. I like how they have the black strap here, because if they don't have it, like, my shoulder would hurt whenever I wear only the chain. But yeah, I love the chain. It's so beautiful. You can either wear it on the shoulder or crossbody, but I prefer the shoulder. Usually purses like these I wear crossbody, but since this bag is like classic, I think it's better to wear it with the, I think it's better to wear it on the shoulder. You can also shorten the strap to make it a little shorter if you prefer. Well, I hope you guys enjoy this video. It might be a short video, but yeah, I'm very excited about this purse. I can't wait to wear it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new, and don't forget to turn on the notification button as well. So yeah, I guess I'll end this video here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.